Hey guys, Danny here at PARYAY. So I had a text message that told me that Motormouth Ken was on the rampage again out there. So I listened into just a couple of seconds, literally about 30, 40 seconds. Sounds like Motormouth is about to lose his voice. But let me just say this. I don't have to prove anything to him. As a competitor, he doesn't even get to ask those questions. He doesn't. Not of another competitor. As a consumer, consumers can ask those questions all day long. As a competitor, that's smearing. And the things that he's being sued for are actually, just for that, lies that he's told. Once again, the lie where he said that I called him those times and was cussing him out, that never happened. He will never be able to prove it, but yet I can prove it never happened from my end. So he's going to go down. The claims that he made against the product containing Vaseline, that it's just house paint, those weren't illusions, okay? He wasn't being subjective or speculative. He was stating specifically, that's all it is. You can't do that as a competitor. But he walked right into that. He did. He stepped right into it. And then the things that he said about me personally that are lies, not the being stupid and being one of the three musketeers or whatever he called us, or stooges. It's none of that. This is specifically laws that he has broken. And that's what he's going to go down for. So he can rant from here to there and back to here. It really doesn't matter, because the bottom line is he broke the law. And for that, he will have to pay. It's going to be fun. All right, so now I just want to state that we did our first movie review. Had the crew over here, had everybody together. Man, had a blast. And I'm doing the final edits on it now. I should have that up by tomorrow night at the latest. I was hoping to have it up tonight, but I've just, with voting and everything kind of going on today, I didn't have a lot of time to edit. But I will get it edited. We'll get it up tomorrow. I hope you guys truly enjoy it, because this is the direction we're going. Not this video all the time. We're probably going to do the panel reviews once a month, just because it's a lot of effort to coordinate the people and have everybody here and that kind of thing. But moving forward, you're going to get a PARYAY reviews once a week from me. You're going to get a sciencey things once a week from me. And then we may have a couple of ads in between here and there. But, those things we're going to make a commitment that we're going to put out there, because we want to make sure that our subscribers are getting good content. And that's what we've been working toward. That's a lot of the back stuff we've been working on, trying to focus on, get things positions for success in 2023. I'm not worried about Bird. He'll be a non-issue for me. So for the first time in quite some time, because think about it, for 2 years, there was a lot of effort spent on highlighting his fraud, highlighting the things that he was out there smearing, not just PARYAY, but Crow and consumers and Silent. I mean, he just was, derailed, unstable, deranged. And once again, for that, he's going to have to pay. But for me, I've got the greatest peace in the world right now, because I'm not going to worry about him anymore. This will get it taken care of, and we're done. He'll never be an issue for PARYAY again. So I'm really looking forward to tomorrow, only because that kicks off a new day for PARYAY. You guys have a good night, and we'll talk to you soon.